Welcome all my friends to my channel in Animals and Nature Zone. Today we will share with you some interesting things about the country of Poland. Poland is a country officially located in the Republic of Poland, Central Europe. It is divided into 16 administrative subdivisions. Divided, which covers an area of 312,696 square kilometers and has a largely temperate seasonal climate. With a population of approximately 38.5 million people, Poland is the fifth most populous state in the European Union. Poland's capital and largest the metropolis is Warsaw. Other major cities include Krakow, Wrocław, Poznan, Gdańsk and Szczecin. Poland is bordered by the Baltic Sea, Lithuania and the Kaliningrad Oblast of Russia to the north, Belarus and Ukraine to the east, Slovakia and the Czech Republic to the south, and Germany to the west. The word Poland originates from Poloni, which means people living on open fields. People here were called Polish and also the language. Number 1. This country is made up of 16 states. Number 2. This country is the 9th largest country in entire Europe. Number 3. Poland is the 69th largest country in the world is. Number 4. This country was built in 933 AD. Number 5. This country in the matter of production of many substances is one of the largest countries. It contains copper, coal, strawberries, silver, apples etc. Number 6. Great War survives in the Second World War in Poland. It was a loss. Around 60 lakh people of this country were killed in this war. Number 7. In this country, domesticated dogs are mostly named Badraksh. Number 8. This country is also known as Super Green Country. Number 9. A train filled with gold was found in the same country in August month of 2015. Number 10. About 33% of the area of this country is covered only by forest. Number 11. There is also a law in this country, in which if you go to the left side of the road, then you may have to feed it. Number 12. This country has won 17 Nobel Prizes till abhi. Number 13. The Second World War was also started by attacking this country. Number 14. Poland is considered to have been founded as a nation in 933 AD, when its king Mieszko declared Christianity a national religion. At that time the size of Poland was the same as that of present-day Poland. Number 15. After the Second World War, there was communist rule in Poland until the year 1989. After this all the people here citizens referendum was held and it became a democracy country. Number 16. Hitler's Nazi army opened several torture cells in Poland in the Second World War. In these cells, Jews, eunuchs and political opponents were tortured and killed. Number 17. Due to the large part of the country being covered with forests, this country is also called Super Green Country. There are 23 national parks and 1200 natural reserves in this country. Apart from this, there are more than 9,300 lakes in this country. Number 18. There are 32 letters in the Polish language. Number 19. More than 90% of people in Poland have obtained secondary education. We hope you like this information. Thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe, like and share to my channel. Take care friends.